boy.
Alright y'all, what's up here? We are here at Clever Koi, that one, this one. You got Mr. Campbell, right there. And the infamous Jules. And you got Rafaela's car. Bro, look at those headlights. Oh my gosh. Dude, those are sexy. So sexy. Look at those. How he painted those, man. Look at that, that looks so good. See that, guys? Damn, give him a follow. Give him a follow. Give him a follow. His Instagram's gonna be on the hood. Damn, that's sexy, dude. That's clean. That's clean. But yeah, so we're gonna head inside because it's like 116 degrees right now. And it's just sunset, but it's hot. So yeah, we'll go inside. Dude, this place is sick, bro. Look at this. Daniel feels underdressed. Do-rag, you wanna put it back in the car? This place is sick, bro.
Daniel looks fine, but Josh
It's tight. It's tight. Daniel, don't do it. Wave check.
Okay, I'm ready.
Let's go. Let's see it. Let's see it.
I'm ready.
So we're here at Clever Koi. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we're here at Clever Koi right now. Joe's looking all pretty and stuff. And we got Mr. Man.
Right.
What is that?
Oh, what's up?
What do you got there?
You know, just a little pork belly right here. Nice crispy pork belly.
We shout out your car out there.
Okay, you seeing it?
Yep.
Headlights redone.
Fresh headlights. So fresh. But yeah, Clever Koi, man. Oh my God. Signature move. So we're about to try this drink. We're gonna see if we can get the wife to get it too, you know? But yeah, so this drink is legit. Tastes pretty damn good.
Yeah.
It's gonna.
You need to hook up on drinks. I got you.
Yeah. Visit this dude. Look at that. Look at him. Look at him. Salty. Fresh. Cut. Edit. Right there. Bro, Daniel just killed that. How do you feel, bro? Alright. Joe's over here watching us get all messed up. You go again, bro?
You want me to?
I'll go with you.
Alright.
Damn, Daniel just killed the whole thing.
I didn't even try it.
You told me to do it.
Hey, yo, so we got Jonathan over here. You got Carlo.
It's good.
They're both from New York. Give them a follow. Both their Instagrams.
I'm from
right
New York.
Here.
Texas.
Yeah. Give them a follow. Both baseball pros.
Let's get it.
Baseball pros. Bro, I know I said I wouldn't vlog in the bathroom. This bathroom got like flowers and stuff, bro. Wooden like stuff, man. It's fancy, dog. But yeah, it's called Clever Koi in Phoenix. So if you guys want to try out some of these places, their food here is bomb. Their drinks are amazing. Definitely go with a group of friends. But yeah, so I'm gonna stop vlogging down in the bathroom. It's kind of weird, but yeah, cool. I'll update you guys once we get a table because it's kind of loud out there. That's another reason why I'm vlogging in here, so you guys can kind of hear me do this stuff. So yeah, hope you guys are enjoying it. Give everyone a follow and stuff. Check out, you know, everything else. But yeah, we'll update you guys once we get to the table.
Like low-key, like I don't do it. I just like set myself fire every time, and then I pour.
So check this out. This is drink number 2. What is this one called?
Always bad news.
Is it?
You know, it's a zombie drink, so
Zombie
there's
drink.
no good news when
Zombie
it comes
drink.
to that.
No. What is the drink called?
Almost always bad news.
Almost always.
I mean, it could be good.
Where's the face at? Oh.
It's my boy Carl.
Carl? Drink this.
Alright, first reaction.
Not bad. Not
A little
bad.
bite to it, huh?
Just a little kick. Pretty good. This is drink number 2. So Jill's got her drink. Where's that, baby? Fancy. So these guys, super chill. This dude owns a couple of E30s. He owns a 300ZX. Right-hand drive? Is it right-hand drive?
Right-hand drive, baby. Hopefully.
Hopefully. One day. But yeah, so forget the table. We ain't doing the table. So we just gonna sit at the bar. We got our group. Got a group right here. We got Chinky Face over here. Cholito.
You know it.
But yeah, we just chilling. So this is the group. You know any other spots like this? Or like
I know a couple.
Oh yeah? What homeboy got? Oh! Dude!
Raviolis.
Killing it. My fries. Daniel? What'd you get, Daniel?
Honestly, nigga, why you doing this to me? What must be?
Take your picture of your food. It's recording.
That good shit.
Gang. Ralph got with them tacos.
Oh my God.
Dang, bro, that looks great.
I'm hyped. It's a good.
Chilling. Straight chilling. Dang, Jules. What'd you get, man? Oh, try this out. Oh my gosh. Bro.
Long straw, bro. I think I just got cross-eyed.
That crazy.
That's the Arizona water
Drink it, bro. Drink it.
That's a little too much right there, bro. Is it going up?
It's just water.
Taking forever. You just gotta inhale. There's a hole somewhere. I'm just. Working? Yeah, got it to work. Yeah.
Alright, y'all, so we just left the restaurant. It's been awesome there for sure. Got Jules here, you got Daniel. Raphael did have to go, but hey, you know, we about to go watch the Lion games. So yeah, we'll update y'all once we get there. This kid's straight staring. Alright, so we made it here to the Harkins, and the drinking game has not stopped yet. So, Mr. Campbell, redeeming himself.
Nigga already chunked the last one, like the fuck, like.
Thank you. Oh yes. So Harkins here in the U.S. Gives what? Wristbands now? Wristbands.
So they don't say anything.
So, see? Amusement park. Thank you. But yeah, so we're here today watching Lion King. Jules is gonna go ahead and get this stuff here, and then we're gonna go hop into the theater. So we made it to Harkins, guys. You know, me and Daniel over here got drinks and stuff. So Jules over here. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and end the night here with the channel. You know, don't forget to follow this guy. I'll leave his Instagram right here. Don't forget to follow Jules and her build right there. But you know, just enjoy life and you know, just live it up. So subscribe right here where my cup is, and then check out the next video that's possibly blocking Daniel's face. And then, yeah, he's licking the box. Lick the box. But yeah, guys, thanks for joining us and have a great night. Have a blessed day. And like I always say, dream big and just chase your dreams, man. Make it happen.